I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Update iOS and Cash App so compatibility issues are gone. Open Cash App and go to your profile to add or verify the card you plan to use with Apple Pay. This ensures the tokenization process can start. Once done, open iPhone settings, enable Wallet and Apple Pay, and confirm Face ID or Touch ID is active so payments can authenticate. These actions reduce common mismatches and get you into the linking flow immediately. Next, add the card inside Cash App and choose Add to Apple Wallet when prompted. This sends a request to Apple's wallet service. You may need to verify ownership via an SMS code, email, or a quick bank app confirmation. Complete whichever verification appears. The app then exchanges card details for a secure token. Make sure you keep the phone online and do not close apps during tokenization. After a short wait, you should see the Cash Card appear in Wallet with a confirmation badge. Now test Apple Pay by making a small contactless purchase or using the Wallet Tap to Pay test. Authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID and watch for approval. If it fails, restart your phone, remove and re-add the Cash App card, and confirm your card type and region support Apple Pay. Prepaid or some business cards may be restricted. If problems persist after these steps, contact Cash App support or your card issuer with transaction timestamps so they can trace token.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.